In the beginning, there was water, and water was with us, and water was our beverage. It was refreshing, abundant, and providing everything that the body needed to replenish its fluid as it loses it. Humans relied on it as their only beverage for millions of years until their eyes opened and they started consuming milk. As time went on, they started consuming tea. And now, with the abundance of knowledge, there's a whole lot of beverages on the market: soft drinks, sport drinks, energy drinks, all the flavored teas, and hundreds of newcomers, which, although also offer hydration, they bring with them a hefty dose of calories that the body finds it hard to regulate. Hi lovelies, welcome to Healthy Eating with Grace. Today's vlog is purposely to share insights on the different types of beverages we have on the market and their level of nutritional value or health benefits, so that when you are choosing, you know which one to go for and which option is the next and which option is the next, and how you can also identify nutritious or healthy beverages on the market. So if you love this content, please stay with me and I will be right back. So per my reading in the book of Beverages chapter 1 verse 1 to 5, you already know that water is the most essential and the most healthy beverage you need to adapt to. Healthiest of all. Water restores all the fluid that is lost through metabolism, breathing, sweating, and removal of waste from our body. It is the perfect beverage, guys. So that is the most perfect beverage that I will recommend for you, and that is on the top. Next to coffee. I don't mean the flavored ones, no, but the plain tea and coffee. And these are the two beverages that comes after water. They are calorie-free, and they mostly contains antioxidants, flavonoids, and bioactive substances that are very healthy for the body. Green tea is known to be the strongest of these varieties because it is known to help reduce heart attack or heart diseases. And coffee is also known to reduce diabetes. And so these are the very healthy beverages that comes after water. A lot of research are being done on these two, and as and when it comes out, I'll bring it to you. But it is not recommended that you add sugar, flavorings, and honey and all of that to these ones. The moment you add that, you reduces the health benefit that they give you. So next to tea and coffee is low-fat skim milk and soy beverage. And these comes after the tea and then the coffee. So these two, the milk family, are known to have high sources of calcium and vitamin D. And for people who are vegetarians or do not take the normal cow milk, can go for soy milk, which also contains the calcium and vitamin D, but it is plant-based. Milk is a high source of protein and also contains some micronutrients. It is also great for growing children, and especially it is important that they take not more than 2 cups of milk a day. So the next to milk is non-calorically sweetened beverage. What does non-calorically sweetened beverage means? They are basically the beverages that we take, the normal sodas that we take, that we now term it as diet sodas or diet coke, diet what. Those are called the non-calorically sweetened beverage. This is because they have been sweetened with artificial sweetness, but the sweetness do not have calories, and that's why they are called non-calorically sweetened beverage. So if you are drinking diet coke or all the diet sodas, just remember that they are not giving you calories, but there is a possibility that they can contribute to weight gain. However, they are a better option than the sweetened normal or regular sodas. The next beverage that comes under this is called the caloric beverages with some nutrients. So there are beverages that are caloric, but they have some nutrients. An example of these are whole milk, not a skim or low fat, but whole milk, fruit juices, sport drinks, flavored water or vitamin flavored water, all the waters that are they've added vitamins and minerals. All of these comes under this level. However, these ones have their pluses and their minuses. 100% fruit juice have the probability of giving you more nutrients, but it also gives you more energy, and that is more calories. So when you are using all these beverages, you need to be careful to know which ones are more healthy than the other. So I recommend that when you are trying to get a fruit juice, you don't completely go for fruit juices, but you go for fruit smoothie, or the fruit that is not just the juice, but it comes with juice and fiber, because the fiber helps in reducing the rate at which the sugar is extracted into the bloodstream. So the fruit that is not just, instead of choosing fruit juices, rather go for a whole blended fruit that the fiber has not been extracted. The last level of beverage is the calorically sweetened beverage. And these beverages are mostly called the non-carbonated drinks and carbonated drinks. And these ones all fall under these calorically beverages. And they contains sugar, they contains flavor, they contains all sorts of sugar. An example of these are the Coca-Cola, not the diet one, the regular ones, and all sorts of the flavored drinks that are on the market, including fruit drinks. There is a difference between fruit juice and fruit drinks. Fruit juice is just the extracted juice from the fruits without any addition of sugar and flavor. But the fruit drinks that are on the market, most of them have added sugars and added flavors, and those are called fruit drinks. So yes, fruit drinks and the lemonades and all the eight. So you should be careful when you are choosing a beverage, when you go shopping or buying it on the streets, or you just have to consider all these levels. The first is water, then it comes down to the carbonated and non-carbonated sodas. The last thing I'll talk about is the nitri grading of these drinks. Most of the drinks, even the ones that are in the same level that I have explained, some of them can be healthier than others. It's interesting. So for you to be able to know which one is healthy when shopping, you have to know nutri grading of the drink or the beverage. Most of the time it is labeled on the bottle and you have to search for it. A means that it is the healthiest, B is a little healthy, and it comes down to D. And the colors also shows you how healthy it is. When you see red, you just know that it's danger. So please look out for all these signs on your bottle of beverage when you are purchasing it, and you are sure to be drinking some healthy beverage. Listen, I'll leave you here, and make sure that this week and the weeks ahead and the months and to the end of the year and the end of your life, you will be using this knowledge to purchase the right kind of beverages for your body and for healthy eating. I will sign out here, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe on your way out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.